The 2025 Ram 1500 takes the legacy of a workhorse truck and refines it with modern technology, robust performance, and premium comfort. This year's model blends utility with luxury, offering options that cater to worksite demands, off-road adventures, and everyday commuting. Starting with performance, the 2025 Ram 1500 provides multiple engine options tailored to meet different needs. The base 3.6-liter V6 with eTorque remains a reliable choice, delivering a balance of efficiency and power. For those who need more muscle, there's the iconic 5.7-liter HEMI V8, also available with eTorque, providing enhanced torque delivery and towing capacity. For diesel enthusiasts, the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 continues to impress with its best-in-class torque and fuel economy, making it a favorite for long hauls. And for adrenaline seekers, the TRX trim still offers the monstrous supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, delivering over 700 horsepower. Towing and payload capabilities remain key highlights, with the Ram 1500 offering up to 12,750 pounds of towing capacity and a maximum payload of 2,300 pounds, depending on the configuration. Advanced towing technologies, such as trailer sway control, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and a 360-degree surround view camera, simplify the process of hauling heavy loads. Ram continues to set the standard for ride quality with its class-exclusive multi-link rear coil suspension and available air suspension system. This ensures a smooth ride, even when the truck is fully loaded. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate features like skid plates, off-road tires, and the electronic locking rear differential available in the Rebel and TRX trims. Inside, the 2025 Ram 1500 offers a cabin that rivals luxury SUVs. The materials used vary by trim but include real wood, leather, and premium metals in higher trims like Limited and Longhorn. Technology takes center stage with the available 12-inch vertical touchscreen powered by the Uconnect 5 system. The system is faster and more intuitive, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. A new 15-inch heads-up display is available, projecting critical driving information directly onto the windshield. For audiophiles, the 19-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system creates a rich sound experience. The truck also offers new tech for connectivity and convenience. The digital rearview mirror, multifunction tailgate, and in-floor storage solutions make day-to-day use more practical. Additionally, the Rambox cargo management system adds lockable, weatherproof storage for tools or gear. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Ram 1500. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic braking, and a new night vision system. These advanced systems ensure both driver and passenger safety, whether on the highway or rugged trails. Ram has also introduced new trim-specific upgrades for 2025. The Limited Elite trim adds exclusive badging, quilted leather seats, and a unique two-tone paint option. Meanwhile, the TRX Lunar Edition brings bold graphics and performance upgrades for off-road dominance. On the sustainability front, Ram is edging into electrification with the 1500 REV, an all-electric variant that combines the truck's iconic capability with zero-emissions technology. Featuring up to 500 miles of range on a full charge and fast charging capabilities, it positions Ram as a leader in the electric truck segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Ram 1500 offers a wide range of options, whether you're looking for a rugged work truck, a luxury daily driver, or a high-performance off-roader. It continues to innovate and set benchmarks in the highly competitive pickup truck market.